scared. This looks like it's glued. You see?
So what does that entail?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
I thought this was a floating floor.
Well, wait a minute. Maybe it's just that square. Oh, that's a...
It's possible that they just glued the outside.
Yeah.
I don't see glue there, do you? Look.
No.
Okay, let me do that. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
My father's.
So they put it in sections, but
It came up pretty easily.
I think we can tear this out, and then the underlayment will just go over this.
Yeah. So that's okay. So it's pretty low.
But it looks like they just put it in strips.
Yeah.
Why would they do that? I say we tear it all out.
Yeah, I agree.
Once we get, if I just
Shoot
take
it
this
in.
row all the way down, then we can like go that way really easily and go this
Yeah.
way really easily. This is not working. Bianca, we gotta bring in the big guns.
Let's do this.
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Come on in. We're taking out this piece of wood here. As you can see, it's completely different color than everything else. Probably because they decided to put a crap ton of glue on this one particular board. And now we're having to take it. This one board in particular has taken like 20 to 30 minutes. Each other board maybe less than 2. So we'll take you through the tedious process of taking this out with this set hammer drill. My arms are on fire. That wasn't even all of it, that was just like the main layer. I'm gonna get arthritis by the age of 26, but that's how you do it here at Golden Key Design.
Little sparkle on your smile when you say that.
Alright, so I was extremely groggy this particular morning, so we're just gonna voice over this clip, but we'll use the visual so you can see what we're talking about. As you saw in the previous clips, we tore out all of the carpet and all of the flooring. It's quite the process.
So taking a look behind Grant, you can see that there's pretty much only glue around the perimeter of the family room, so tearing at the carpet was relatively easy. But where Grant's standing and pointing to now, all that green stuff on the ground was glue, so tearing out the wood flooring was a lot more of a process, I would say.
Yeah, and as we tore it out, it splintered, and there were like little wood chips left throughout the green adhesive, so we had to pick those out literally piece by piece with our hands. And there's some left over, but we think the underlayment will kind of feather that out and won't be too big of an issue. So get ready for next week because we're gonna start the install.
Ooh.
You have to act excited.
It just feels so cringy to me.
It's gonna be
I'm
funny.
cringing for myself.
It's funny.
My butt's not showing, is it?
You got a nice crack.
I gotta say, my crack's not showing.
Dad, careful! Don't drag it on the tile.
Oh, you're right, sorry.
My God.
Okay, put that on camera, like,
It is. I got it recorded.
rookie mistake.
That's going at the end of the video. The blooper.